Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. Today we're making some Swedish meatless meatballs, simple ingredients and very budget friendly. Our ingredients are wheat gluten, dried sausage mix, onion, carrot, pepper, bouillon, ginger, turmeric, smoked paprika, basil and rosemary. Finely chop the onion and the pepper and then grate the carrot. You're going to have 100 grams of the wheat gluten, 25 grams of breadcrumbs, 250 grams of the dried sausage mix and a tablespoon each of the dried herbs or spices. We're going to mix the dried sausage mix, the wheat gluten and the breadcrumbs together. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a warmed frying pan. Add the chopped onions to the frying pan and saute gently. Next, add the chopped peppers to the frying pan and let those cook for about 30 seconds. Next, we'll add the grated carrots and just ensure that they're all stirred together really well. I'm also adding half of a Scotch bonnet finely chopped. Now we're going to add in all of our seasonings, making sure that it's all thoroughly incorporated together. Now we're going to add our cooked vegetables to our dried ingredients and we're going to stir this all together. We're going to add between 250 to 300 milliliters of slightly warm water to our mixture and stir that in really well, but just add the water gradually. Now we need to start to massage that mixture really well because we want to activate that gluten to get it all nice and stretchy, which will give the meatballs that meaty texture. Massage for about 10 minutes. We'll leave the mixture to rest for about 20 minutes. Let's start making our Swedish meatless meatballs. Your mixture should make between 30 to 36 meatballs. We'll shallow fry the meatballs until they're golden brown. Here are our Swedish meatless meatballs. They go fantastic with a marinara sauce, with pasta, with rice, even with chips. So enjoy, they are delightful.